In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you need to remove a transaction from your books, QuickBooks Online makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. It's important to be careful with deletions though, because removing a transaction can affect your account balances and reports. So before you delete anything, make sure you're working with the correct entry and that you no longer need it for your records. To begin, sign into QuickBooks Online and go to the Transactions area. From there, select Chart of Accounts. In some cases, depending on the type of transaction you're trying to remove, you may also need to go through Sales or Expenses instead. The exact path can vary based on whether you're dealing with something like an invoice, an expense, or a bank-related entry, so the key is to start from the section that matches the transaction type. Once you're in the right place, find the relevant account and click View Register next to it. The register gives you a detailed list of transactions connected to that account, which makes it easier to find the exact item you want to delete. Take your time here and double-check the date, amount, and any other identifying details so you don't accidentally remove the wrong transaction. When you find the transaction you want to delete, click on it to open it. This will expand the transaction details so you can review it one more time before taking action. That extra review is a good habit, especially if you're working in a live company file where even small changes can impact your financial records. At the bottom of the transaction window, click More. This opens additional options for that specific transaction. From the menu, select Delete. QuickBooks will then ask you to confirm the action. Click Yes to confirm and the transaction will be permanently removed. That's all there is to it. The most important part of this process is making sure you're deleting the correct transaction before you confirm. If you're unsure, it may be worth reviewing related reports or account activity first. But once you've verified everything, these steps will help you quickly and cleanly remove a transaction in QuickBooks Online.